Hello and welcome to QuickTipsTo. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Syncwire 4-port USB wall charger. Hopefully this video will help you with your buying decision. By the end of the video, if you like the product and you want to buy it, you can benefit from our exclusive discount code for all the Syncwire products. Read the description for more details. Inside the box there is a user guide, the 4-port USB charger, a UK adapter and an EU adapter. Now let's have a look at the USB charger. The charger comes with 4 USB ports. Each port supports 5 volt and 2.4 amperes charging ports. This means that each USB port supports fast charging. The charger can support up to 48 watts of maximum power. This means that you can use it to charge your tablets, phones and watches all at the same time. This charger can handle input voltage between 100 volts to 240 volts, enabling you to use it in most countries. The US plug is already built in with the charger. To connect the UK adapter, slide it onto the US plug as illustrated. You can also do the same with the EU adapter. This is a practical adapter for daily use and for travelling abroad. As you can see, I am currently using the charger to charge my tablet, watch, earbuds and phone. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With QuickTipsTo, knowledge has no limits.